And welcome to a new vlog. Yesterday we went to Cochrane and just kind of wandered around. Today we went to a scrapbook store and got a bunch of stuff for my journal, and then we went to the mall for a little bit, and yeah. So I'm gonna do some journaling with some of my new supplies, which is fun. For my reading update, I started The Final Girl Support Group by Grady Hendrix, and I am 164 pages in, and I'm really enjoying it. Really curious to see where this goes. The main character is very much an unreliable narrator, so yeah, I'm enjoying it, and I'll keep reading. I'm gonna go do some journaling. So me and my mom just went to a farmer's market, and it was very cute, and I got some really cool jewelry that I wanted to show you guys. Alright, I just finished The Final Girl Support Group, and I'm a little underwhelmed. I think I'll give it a 4 out of 5 stars. Slasher is just not my favorite genre, and I usually don't read books in that genre at all. The only reason I picked this up is because it was Grady Hendrix. So I think that's good. Like, I enjoyed a slasher book, which rarely happens. So that's good. But there wasn't that like one scene that he just like does so fucking incredibly well, and it just sticks in your brain, and it's like so horrifying. There's nothing like that in this book. So yeah, I'm glad I read it. I still love you, Grady Hendrix. I think you're amazing, and I can't wait to read what you write next. But this probably is not going to be my favorite of yours anytime soon. But you should check out his other books because they're all incredible. All 5 out of 5. except for this one. Guys, today is my last day in Calgary. I'm flying home tomorrow morning to Vancouver, and I'm pretty excited because I miss Mitch and the dogs a lot. Today we went to Canmore, and we went into a cute little bookstore, and we had a yummy bagel, and unfortunately the view wasn't great because there's, you know, crazy wildfires all over the West Coast right now, so they're sort of, you know, affecting the air. Because that's how fire works. Anyway, I also started The Sword of Shannara, and I'm only 42 pages in, just because, you know, haven't had a lot of time to read because I've been hanging out with my family. It's very much the chosen one situation, you know, two brothers meet a stranger, and he's like, hey, you're like the only one left that can wield this crazy sword, and he's like, okay, dope, let's do this. So, but it's really cool because it has illustrations. I didn't know that there were illustrations in there. All right, I'm home now, but the Calgary airport was a total disaster. They put my gate in the international terminal, and I had to frickin' sprint across the airport to get there on time. When I got home, I had my Owlcrate to unbox, and I wanted to show you some of my favorite things that I got in there. Here's the book for the month of June. It's absolutely stunning. It has a beautiful illustration on the back cover as well. And then there's this gorgeous Strange the Dreamer print, gold foiled. Just beautiful. This super cute lunch bag, Throne of Glass themed. This stunning key from the Starless Sea book. It actually is a bottle opener, but I'm going to put it on my wall. And then we have this great Fate coin from Fable, and it's super cute. Like, it's so detailed and gorgeous. And I also finally got my incentives for pre-ordering Rule of Wolves. So I got this gorgeous pin and then this really beautiful illustration, and they sent this to you for free if you could prove that you pre-ordered. And here are the posters up on the wall in all their glory. And then I reorganized my little Owlcrate shelves as well. And fit all my new scrapbooking supplies in there. Alright, you guys, I'm going to wrap up the vlog here since I'm home and I'm back to work tomorrow, and it's probably going to be pretty freaking insane for the next little while, so I don't think I'll be doing a vlog over the weekend. We are also getting our second vaccine on Saturday. Both Mitch and I are getting it, so I don't know how we're going to react to it. It may be nothing, it may be, you know, anything. So I'm just going to focus on getting back into the swing of things at work and keeping my anxiety down and getting fully vaccinated, which is pretty exciting. Just to end on a reading update, I am just under halfway through Any Way the Wind Blows by ROWELL, one of my favorite authors of all time. And I love this series so much, and Baz and Simon are exactly as I want them to be. Idiots, both of them. I love them so much. And yeah, so hopefully, I mean, this is a really fast read, so I'm plowing through it, so I'm sure I'll finish this over the next few days. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'm not sure when the next one will be, but I'm sure it will be in the near future. So thanks for watching.